Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariana and today we'll be doing this beautiful blue look. It took me a minute to figure out what I wanted to do. I've all over my hand, but I came up with this look. I love how it turned out. I'm still struggling with lashes, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna figure it out. It's annoying because I just want to apply them and go, but no, I sit here for like 20 minutes just to apply them and they're annoying. Oh wait, hold on, I want to show you something. My brother got me this and I love it. It helps me a lot with planning out what I want to do. It's this cute little makeup bag. I love it. Oh, and I love the color of it, but I love it because it helps me a lot when it comes to planning out what look I want to do, so I don't have to dig through my other big ass bag. This one is simpler, just pick out what color. Then I know there are some days where I'm just going to be digging through that regardless, but overall I love the bag. But that's all for that. But if you want to see how to achieve this look, keep on watching.